हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. सो आज हम इस वीडियो में देखते हैं न्यू चैप्टर 3, डेटा हैंडलिंग. सो लेट्स सी. पाइथन ऑफर्स built in core data types. They are: first numbers, second literals, third list, fourth tuple, fifth dictionary. So let's see in details. We deal with numbers, literals in our previous videos. So again, see, numbers. These data types are used to store numeric values for the specified variable literals. It is of three types. They are integer, then again two parts, integer sign, and second boolean. Then second floating point numbers, third complex numbers. So integer sign, these are the whole numbers having no fractional parts. They may be positive or negative numbers. Example 5, 10, minus 25, minus 36, etc. etc. Then second boolean. Only two values included in boolean, either true or false. One represent true and 0 represent false. So let's see now. For boolean, we use the function bool. हम बूलियन के लिए हम बूल फंक्शन यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे हम स्ट्रिंग के लिए str यूज़ करते हैं, वैसे बूलियन के लिए हम बूल फंक्शन यूज़ करते हैं. देन bool 1, then it will print true. Then bool 0, it will give output as false. Then again string false, then string means there will be quotation mark, double quotation mark, and false, then string true, then double quotation mark inside true. And string function is used to convert values to string. Then next is floating point numbers. There are numbers having fractional part in it. Float used for declaring floating point numbers. It is of two types. First, fractional form, second, exponential form. So now see, floating point numbers have two advantages. First, they can represent values in between integer. Second, they can represent a much greater range of values. Then second is floating point numbers have one disadvantage. The floating point operations are usually slower than integer operations. In Python, the floating point number have precision of 15 digits. So in previous video we completed this floating point number, so I can't go in details. Then second, complex numbers. Python is a versatile language that offers a numeric type to represent complex numbers. Is that a plus bj, since j is equals to root over minus 1 and a and b are two variables. So now we do with list and tuples. List in the Python represent a group of data of any data type separated with comma and kept between square bracket. It can be changed or modified. So लिस्ट को हम स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में इंक्लोज करके रखते हैं और हम लिस्ट के वैल्यूज़ को चेंज भी कर सकते हैं. बट इन टपल्स वी कैन नॉट चेंज इट. Tuples. If any list of any data type kept within parentheses and assigned to a variable called tuples. No value of tuples can be modified or changed. Sorry, next slide आ गए. Tuples. If any list of any data type kept within parentheses and assigned to a variable called tuples. No value of tuple can be modified or changeable. So now here we will see a clear-cut difference between list and tuples. First, list. Here a is equals to, enclosed in square bracket, variables or numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next, b is equals to abc, 2, 4, dav. Then c is equals to 4, 5, 6. Here we can change the value of list. A is equals to enclosed in square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are changing values. So A is equals to 0 is equals to 1. Then we do enter. Then print A, and output will be 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here values get changed. Here in the place of 1, we just count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 will be 0, 2 will be 1, and 3, 2, then 4. Down we will write 3, and then 5 we will write 4. In this way we count. So here we have to change the value of A 0. So 0, in the place of 0 we have 1. So after printing A, we get 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in tuples, A is equals to parenthesis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after printing A, print A, output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we want to change values, so let's see, A bracket 0 is equals to 10. Then it will show error. Shows errors, no value of tuple can be changed. So here error occurs because the values of tuple can't be changed. So now dictionary. Dictionary data type is another feature in Python. It is an unordered set of comma separated key value pairs within curly brackets. In dictionary, no two keys can have same value. Then syntax for creating dictionary key values. Here we will see there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U named 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we want to create dictionary. So vowels is equals to A. Here A is the key and 1 is a value. A 1, E is a key and 2 is value, then I key, then 3 is value. In this way 0, 4, 5, U 5. Then now we want to print vowel A. So here vowel A will be 1 because here value is 1, and vowel U, its value is 5. So output will be 5, and vowel A, the output will be 1. So in this way we can do with dictionary. And lists and tuples. List can be changed, but in tuples we can't change any values. And in dictionary, no two key values have same values. No two keys have same values. So आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा. सॉरी आज स्लाइड बहुत